Well, hello everybody, it's Creative Sarah here and I'm ready for a cute project. I have this great door tag and I'm gonna wax it first with our surface wax and just kind of get a nice smooth even coat over the surface. And I'm gonna grab my transfer. I'm labeling the back and I'm just gonna peel it from the backer sheet and lay it down. Every day is an opportunity for joy. So I'm using shimmer paste. It's like paste with glitter in it and it is so cool and shimmery. So this is our black, it's actually our shimmer shadow. And then I'm gonna use our shimmer harvest, which is that dark yellow color. And then the final color that I'm about to use is shimmer rose gold. So we've got 3 colors there. And they look so good together. And of course, when you're in person, you can see all the shimmer. It's really, really cool. So I'm just doing that sun on there, and we're going to put some of that rose gold down on the joy. If you're new, you can comment. If you want information, you can comment VIP. If you'd like to grab a sample kit, you can comment sample. And of course, you guys, if you have not joined our club, comment club and I'll give you all of the information. It is our awesome subscription box program, $19.99 a month, and you get so many perks for joining. Lots of awesome promotions and free gifts. Oh, check it out, you guys. Woohoo! Look how pretty that is. Now I'm going to dry it, and I will hold it up to see if you can see some of the shimmer in there. Like I said, if you haven't joined our club, you definitely want to check it out. Comment the word club, and I will send you that information. It's only $19.99 a month, and the shipping is free. So when you get your kit every month, you do not have to pay shipping on it, which is pretty awesome because shipping can get expensive. All right, so after I'm done drying this, I'm going to put together a couple different pieces of ribbon, and I'm going to make a little fun bow. Can you see that? It's a little bit shimmery. Yeah, it's a lot shimmery in person, actually. All right, so putting the chalk paste away and getting out my ribbon. Here we go. So I'm just going to make a quick, easy bow. And it's a little bit off camera. Sorry, guys. But I'm just tying that together and fluffing it up a little bit. And then I'm going to grab some of my hot glue just to kind of attach it to the top here. And then we'll make our little hanger. We've got a jute hanger that's going to come into play. And when you're done, you can go check out CreativeSarah.com. All the information is there. You can get the samples. You can get, you can check out the club. You can even check out our online shop. So many things that you can do. Again, go ahead and comment club if you'd like some more information, or go directly to CreativeSarah.com. Hope you enjoyed this fun little project, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.